Hello cuties, it's that Jess here and I hope you're all doing really well tonight. So today I have got a really cute unboxing for you all, and it's one of those really cute subscription boxes, which is always so exciting. So I got sent the Yumetwins subscription box and I just thought it'd be really fun if I opened it all for you today, because these boxes are always so cute and they're always just fun and really adorable. So I'm actually going to unbox this so that you can see it a bit better, because last time I tried to do one of these unboxings I'd done it like this and it was just a little bit difficult to actually show you. So I will be moving to a different angle to show you everything that is in this box. So here we have the Yumetwins box for this month. So here is the little like leaflet thing that you get inside, and you can see that the theme for the September box is study break, which looks really cute. I really like that idea of having like a academic study themed box, because it's just normally filled with really useful things. Look at how cute the artwork is. Oh, that's so cute. Guys, do you see the Pom Pom Cushion? Oh no, he's so sweet. So we do have a Pom Pom Cushion face cushion, I believe, and it is this like mochi feeling material. I love it when they do plushes or cushions in this like really soft material, because it just makes it so comfy, and I feel like they look even cuter. Like they just look quite fuzzy and adorable, and he has a butt. He's actually got the butt. I love him. I really do think Pom Pom Cushion is adorable. I think his whole like character and design is just really sweet, and I do really love him. So I'm so happy with that. He looks so adorable and really super comfy. Next. Oh, how cute is that? So this looks like a Pikachu bottle maybe. So yeah, we got a Pikachu plastic bottle, which is just really sweet. Oh my god. So it's one of those with the straws in. That's really cute. I absolutely love these ones because it just means that it's not really going to leak anywhere. So you just got a little Pikachu face, which is actually the lid for the straw. On the front it just says Pocket Monsters, and on the back you have got the iconic Pikachu tail and stripes. And you've also got a little yellow strap as well. I'm definitely someone that collects bottles and cups and probably has a few too many, but they're essential items, really useful. So I think that is really sweet, and I will definitely be using him for all my beverages, because how can you not? He is so cute. He'll be next to me when I am studying again this year. Let's have a look at the next one. Oh, okay. So at the minute, I'm not entirely sure what this one is. It kind of looks like maybe some rubbers or something. Yeah, I think we've got some like themed rubbers, which is really cute. I don't know if you like might make them or something. So just going to open it up because I really have no idea what this is, but it looks cute either way. Okay, so it looks like you do make little rubbers. So you've got like the little like rubber pieces to make the patterns. You've got the pattern sheets there, and I believe that in this like little like capsule machine kind of thing, you just pop them in and it will form a rubber for you. So that's really cute actually, and it looks like we might have got like a sushi or maybe like a lunchbox, bento box kind of theme. So that's really cute. That's like a really fun idea to come up with, and makes like stationery even more fun than it already is. Oh no, that's so cute. Oh my gosh. So we have got like a Cherry Blossom Sakura pen, and you might not know this, but I have a massive collection of pens. I am a big stationery person. So pens like this I love. I will use this constantly. It's so cute. So you just got like a bendy pen with a pink cherry blossom flower on the top. So it is just a black ink pen, which is really useful, as most of the work I have to do is in black ink. I love that. And next we have got, okay, so this is one of those watches that's actually a ring. I had these when I was younger and I loved them. Thank you Primark for those. Those are always so fun. Oh, and it looks to be an Amuse one as well. I am a big fan of Amuse plushies, so this is going to be really cute as well. Here it just says Amuse character Pop Ring Watch 4, so this must be the full series. And it says Pop and Metal, which must be the theme that we got. So we have got the bunny one, which is Loppy, and it just looks so cute. So it's just like a little silver ring with a bunny on the middle. You can see that it's got some nice strawberries and a little bunny with a sparkly bow. That's really cute. So after I've set the time correctly, I think that's going to be really cute. Oh, I really like that. It makes me feel nostalgic because I had so many of these when I was younger. I just thought they were really sweet. I'm glad they're still going. I'm glad people are still wearing watch rings because they're really sweet and funky and I love them. So we are on to the last item now, and it looks like we've got some Snorlax hairbands, which that's really adorable. So you just got these like 3D Snorlax faces, and they've got some like pink stars in them, which are really cute. And if you turn it around, you just got them attached to a blue hairband. They're really sweet. Oh my gosh, I really do like Snorlax. He's like a big sleepy boy and I think he's really adorable. Definitely one of my favourites from Gen 1. So here is one of the Snorlax hairbands. It's got these, it's like in the style of a shaker hairband or just the shaker items themselves. I really like that. It always just adds something a little bit different to it. On the back you can see that the hairband's just attached to it, and I like that it comes in a pair because I am definitely someone that wears like pigtails all the time, so to have two is really handy. I just think he looks so cute, and to put the pink stars with him as well is just even more adorable. I just think they're really sweet. Oh my gosh, I love that. So that was the last item, so now we can safely look at the little leaflet that comes with it without getting any spoilers. So now on the front you can kind of see what every item was. So you had the bottle, you got My Melody there, so I assume there was a My Melody option of the Pom Pom Cushion. You got pencils and rubbers, so it's all done really well. So at the front you've just got tips for effective study break. And here we've got what's inside my box. So you got the Sanrio Pillow Soft plushies. You got the Band-Aid DIY erasers, which we were right, they are DIY rubbers. So you got the themes of animals, sweets, fruits and bento lunch themes. So we did get the bento one. We've got the Pikachu Flip and Sip bottle. The Pokemon glitter hairbands. Oh man, there was a Sylveon one. Oh, I've got to track down the Sylveon one. That's so cute. Flower pens, and then the Harajuku style ring watch. Oh, and on the back you've also got how to do the rubbers, which is really helpful because otherwise I definitely wouldn't be able to figure it out because there's like water and microwaves and everything there, so that's really handy. And that is the September Yumetwins box all unboxed. It's so cute. So that is it for the Yumetwins box unboxing. Ooh, so I absolutely adored everything that came in that box. I love how the September theme was like all study and like academic themed. I just thought that was adorable, and someone who is A, studying still, and B, actually loves anything to do with like education and all that lovely stuff. I just thought it was a really cute idea. I could not wait to use that pen. Oh my god. And the little mochi cushion plush and the Pokemon stuff, everything was so cute. Really cute. So down below I will leave my link so that you can get your own Yumetwins box. Thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you in my next video. Goodbye guys.